Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the app and freeing resources so the restart can work. Force close Call of Duty Mobile, then kill heavy background apps. This prevents immediate memory conflicts. Once done, check storage and clear the game cache to remove corrupt temp files. Also switch your network, Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, to rule out a transient connection issue. These first steps reduce variables and give you a clean environment for the deeper fixes ahead. You now handle file integrity and permissions because corrupted resources often cause loops. Use the in-game repair or download missing resource packs. That fixes bad assets without full reinstalls. Make sure both the app and your OS are up to date. Outdated system components can crash on launch. Check and regrant storage and network permissions so the game can read files and connect. If repair doesn't stick, reinstall after confirming progress is linked to your account to avoid data loss. You finish by clearing persistent network or app state that may trigger restarts. Forget your Wi-Fi, reboot the router, and toggle airplane mode to clear sockets, then try the game. If it persists, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall the app, reboot the device, and install fresh to eliminate lingering corrupt files. If the restart loop remains, collect crash logs and exact steps, then contact support with device model, OS version, and linked account so they can trace the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.